Hey seniors, this is your very last advisory video from Mrs. Gibson. I know you're super excited, but I have a few more things that you need to think about so that we can get you all good for graduation. Your senior board's presentation. Practice boards are on the 21st and 22nd, and your actual final boards are the 28th and 29th. Your teacher has just handed you a beautiful pink paper. On it are both your practice board and your final board assignments. So what I want you to do is get out your camera right now, your phone, take a picture of this so you don't lose this information. So practice boards come first, and that's going to be in 2 weeks. So between now and then, you need to make sure that your presentation is solid and good to go. This presentation you made in your senior English class. Okay, think back to your senior English class if you took it in fall. If you're taking it right now, then you're probably working on this right now, your final presentation. If you're like, I don't know what you're talking about, and you need to review some things, let's take a look. If you go to the senior project website and you click on the seniors button, just click on seniors. This is the home screen for that button. It has all the info you need on here. It has at the bottom the senior board's prompt. Here is what the speech needs to be. I want to point out here is the main idea of the whole entire speech is to argue the extent to which you have met one or more of the school-wide learner outcomes, the SLOs. They're right up here. They're listed right above up here. So you can go through and look at that. This is an argumentative speech in which you actually say, I have become one or more of these SLOs over the course of time here at Helix. And you're going to give evidence to show that you have, in fact, become those things. So you have to use your senior project as one of the pieces of evidence, and then 2 other things to demonstrate your learning in each of those SLO areas. I would pick 1 to 3 of the SLOs and go from there. So if you already made your presentation, go back, take a look at it, make sure it does all of those things. If you're currently doing that, I'm sure your teacher is instructing you. If you need to review the prompt, or if you didn't take senior English here at Helix, if you took it at Grossmont College or at a different high school and transferred in, then go back and look at that prompt and make sure you put that together. You need to have everything ready for practice boards. It's like a dress rehearsal. So you need to wear your fancy pants clothes. You need to also have your presentation already ready to go. The visual, all of the stuff, make sure you know what you're going to say, and then you need to show up to that room on either the Tuesday or the Wednesday, whatever you're assigned, during advisory, and you will do your presentation. Then they will give you a rubric, and then here's your final board's date and time and location down here. Okay, so you will show up and you will wait outside at that time. Make sure you come a few minutes early. Make sure you wear your fancy pants clothes. Okay, if you have any questions, or if you did not get a pink paper, you need to come and see me and Mrs. Meredith right now at lunch in room 160. Okay, guys, that's it. Good luck and have a great rest of your senior year.